are you? Hope you're fine and safe. Welcome all of you to the online science class. Today I am going to discuss with you our 5th chemistry chapter, acid, base and salts. At the end of today's class, you will learn about acid, base, salts and some color changes in acid and base. Let's move to our topic. We use in our daily life large number of substances like lemon, orange, apple, vinegar, etc. Do they have same taste? Definitely not. Every substances have their own taste. Let us understand this concept with the help of an activity. Look at here. You can see some substances on the board like lemon juice, orange juice, sugar, baking soda, washing soda, etc. Now we are going to find out their taste. You can see the tastes like sour, bitter and any other. Now we are going to find out the taste of these substances, and with the help of that we can classify them. Okay, first one, lemon juice. Can you say the taste of lemon juice? What is the taste of lemon? Exactly, it is sour taste. What is the taste of lemon juice? Sour. What about orange? Excellent, sour taste. It is sour taste. Sugar. It's sweet, right? Sweet taste. Baking soda. Yes, it is bitter taste. Bitter. Washing soda. That also bitter taste. So what you can conclude from this table? There are substances which have sour taste and there are some substances which have bitter taste. These sour tasting substances are acids. What are acids? Acids are the substances which have sour taste. Acids are the sour tasting substances. Then what are bases? Bases are the substances which have bitter taste. Acids are the substances which have sour taste and bases are the substances which have bitter taste. And you can see other one, sugar, sweet taste, any other taste, right? So sugar is a neutral substance. Neutral means no particular taste. Neutral substance. So sour tasting substances are acids, bitter tasting substances are bases. Let's discuss an activity. You can see 2 glass and some liquid in my hand, right? Can you say which one is acid or which one is base? Is this acid? Is this acid? Is this base? Is this base? Then you tell me, can you say which is acid or which is base? In order to identify the acid and base, we have special type of substances. They are indicators. What are indicators? Indicators are the substances which we use to test whether the solution is acidic or base. Indicators are the special type of substances used to check or test whether the substance is acidic or base. Indicators are special type of substances are used to check whether a substance is acidic or basic. We have examples like litmus solution, turmeric and China rose. Indicators are special type of substances are used to check whether a substance is acidic or basic. And examples, litmus solution, turmeric and China rose. And I'll show you. This is litmus paper. It's an indicator. This paper we can use to check the acidic or basic substances. I'll show you. Okay. The 2 glass of water, not water, 2 glass of liquid with me. Now I am going to test and you will understand which one is acid or which one is base. Okay. There is 2 papers in my hand. Now I am going to add, I took a solution from the beaker and I am going to add 1 drop of to the red litmus paper. Can you see any color change? And if I am going to add the same. See? Can you see the color change? This solution turns blue litmus to red. If a solution turns blue litmus to red, that is acid. That is acid. So I took the solution from this glass. So this is acid. Why? Because acid turns blue litmus paper to red. Now I am going to show you another example. Okay. Okay. I am going to add 1 drop on blue litmus paper. Can you see any change? And the same I am going to add on red litmus paper. See, red litmus paper turns to blue. Litmus paper turns to blue. Okay. What are acids? Acid turns blue litmus paper to red and base turns red litmus paper to blue. Acids have sour taste and bases have bitter taste. If you get a colorless solution, how will you differentiate them as acid and base? Acid is a solution which turns blue litmus paper to red. Acid turns blue litmus paper to red and base turns red litmus paper to blue. What are indicators? Indicators are the substance which we use to check whether the given solution is acid or base. Acid turns blue litmus paper to red and base turns red litmus paper to blue.
Acids are the substances which have sour taste. Bases are the substances which have bitter taste. Litmus can be used to identify acids and bases. Blue litmus paper turns red in acids, stays blue in bases. Red litmus paper turns blue in bases, stays red in acids.
Now we can discuss how turmeric acts as an indicator. For that we need some turmeric, soap powder, then some amount of acid. Okay, now I am going to add little bit amount of acid into the turmeric. Okay, check it. Is there any color change? Can you see any color change? No. You can see the yellow color inside the glass. Okay, keep in mind. Okay, then I'll show you the next part. Now I'm going to mix turmeric and soap powder. I'm going to add little amount of soap powder to the turmeric. Okay, now you just carefully observe the color change. Is there any color change? On adding soap into the turmeric, it turns to red color, which means turmeric is a basic indicator. turmeric changes color only in the basic medium, right? Soap is a base. Soap is an example of base. So turmeric shows color changes only in the basic medium. When I added turmeric into the acid, there is no color change. That means turmeric do not changes its color in acidic medium, but it changes its color in basic medium, right? So this is turmeric is a basic indicator. Now you just understand why the stain in your dress, especially if there is any turmeric stain in your dress while washing with soap, why it turns to red? Because turmeric is a basic indicator. When turmeric comes contact with the base, it turns to red. If turmeric contact with acid, no problem, no color change. But if we do with the soap, if turmeric comes contact with the soap, it changes to red. Why? Because turmeric is a basic indicator. It shows color changes only in the presence of base. What is the color of turmeric in acid? Same color, yellow. Why? No color change. What is the color of turmeric in base? Red. Okay?
Let us discuss some examples. Lemon juice, effect on turmeric solution, none. Remarks, acid or neutral. Orange juice, none, acid or neutral. Vinegar, none, acid or neutral. Milk of magnesia, effect on turmeric solution, turns to red because base. Baking soda turns to red, base. Lime water turns to red, base. Sugar, none, acid or neutral. Common salt, none, acid or neutral. Neutral substances do not show any color changes in acid or basic medium, which means they are neither acidic nor basic, that is neutral. Neutral substances which are neither acidic nor basic are neutral. They do not change the color of any litmus.
The last type of indicator, China rose indicator. China rose indicator turns acidic solutions to dark pink or magenta, and it turns basic solutions to green. China rose indicator turns acidic solutions to dark pink or magenta and basic solutions to green. So what is the color of China rose indicator in acidic medium? Dark pink or magenta, and in basic medium green. Okay, and acid turns blue litmus to red and base turns red litmus to blue. Turmeric turns red in base and in acid same color, and China rose indicator turns acidic solutions to dark pink or basic solutions to magenta, basic solutions to green. Okay, so far we have been discussing about the acid and base. Now we are going to discuss about the third class of substance, salts. What are salts? There are some substances which do not show any color changes in red litmus paper or blue litmus paper. There are some solutions which do not show any color changes on red litmus paper or blue litmus paper. They are neutral in nature. These substances are salts. Salts are neither acidic nor basic.
A neutral compound is a compound that is neither acidic or basic. Pure water is considered a neutral compound. Salt is a neutral product. Let us compare the color changes of China rose indicator in different solutions. Shampoo, initial color red, final green. Base, lemon juice, red, magenta, acid. soda water, red, green base. Sodium hydrogen carbonate solution, red, green base. Vinegar, red, magenta acid. Sugar solution, red, red, neutral. Common salt, red, neutral. So China rose indicator turns acidic solutions to magenta or dark pink, or basic solutions into green.
Let us conclude today's class. Acids are the substances which have sour taste. Bases are the substances which have bitter taste. Acid turns blue litmus to red. Base turns red litmus to blue. Turmeric turns red in basic medium. Turmeric turns yellow in acidic medium. China rose indicator turns acidic solutions to dark pink. China rose indicator turns basic solutions to green. And salts are the solutions or compounds which do not have any action on red or blue litmus. They are neutral. That's all about today's class. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and bye.